zoom in on that. Okay, so this is burdock root, and we plant these everywhere. And this is one of the roots that we use as part of the energy giving ingredients for our supplement, the blood builder. So what we're going to do is we're going to harvest this thing so you can see what it looks like when we dig this out of the ground. Okay. Look at that ground. The ground is looking good. So this, we plant these and we let them grow as long as we possibly can. As you can see, we start hitting the root system already. Okay. It's just amazing, the root systems that come with these plants. Oh yeah. Dig around here. See, we're a set of people who we don't mind getting our hands dirty because we don't play around. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Oh wow. Look at that root. Now this is the kind of stuff, and when you put this in your body, iron, calcium, magnesium, copper. So there we have it, the burdock root. Remember, we grow it because we know it, and this is what makes us different. This is why you support us, because we give you quality. I can't stress quality herbs. Support junglelifeherbs.com. Support junglelifeherbs.com. That's all I can ask you to do. Support us, because we give you the real deal. Thank you.